So here we go. We got the new Prominence. It's a dual break, nonetheless. There we go. Dual break, box 1 and 2. 10:05 Eastern Standard Time, right on the dot. And here's everybody up in it. Good to have you guys on board. Like I said, box 7 and 8, that dual, that'll be the last one of the night. Maybe I'll even throw a bonus on it. So maybe fill it, and we can do a bonus on it, and that'll be the last one for tonight. So fresh case, though. Oh. Big case. Okay, well, start up here. Work our way across. First two. Big case here. All right, cool. So got our first two boxes. Thanks, guys, so much for grabbing a couple spots here in Prominence. I only have one case, so let's see if we can move it here. So. Guess there's a hit in each box, so we'll see what it looks like. But like I said, guys, fill up that last one of the night. I'll throw a bonus on it. I'll do a bonus like you pick them or something like that. How about that? They look pretty sharp, though. I'm not going to play around. So, and they're a nice 100-point. So Christian Ponder, Maurice Jones-Drew. Then here's what the rookies look like. That ain't bad. So Marcus Davis, and that's 54 out of 199. Going to those Jets. Then you got a Eminence, Andrew Hawkins for Cincinnati. Go to Matty G. There you go, buddy. 589 out of 999. And then a Zach Desert. Those Broncos. That's just the first pack, so there's 3 packs per box, and we're dueling these boxes up for you. So I think it looks decent. It's clean cut. Douglas. I don't know what's going on with my. Let's see if this works. I'm trying to get my. Okay. Sorry, my little backup thing that or my picture option here. Let me just do it real quick, just so I don't forget. For that first one, so that Eminence. Okay, sorry about that. We'll get back to it. Here we go. You got Richard Mendenhall. Then you got a Chris Harper, and that's 26 out of 99. Rookie going to Seahawks. And, oh, perfect. First box. Yeah, little Gino. 87 out of 100. I like it. See, look at that. That's going to 134 Lakeview. Here it is. I told you they're going to have to load this stuff up for us. And then a Desmond Trufant, rookie right there. So not a bad way to start off the first dual break here. Little Gino. We got Torrey Smith, C.J. Spiller, then you got Matt Scott, rookie, and that's a pretty nice Letterman. We haven't seen Lettermans yet this year, which is always a good change of pace. 118 out of 200, though, of Travis Kelce. Going to Kansas City. Who's got Kansas City way down there? Mark's Cards. Okay, there you go, bud. Go ahead and get a picture of that. So that's your guys' first box. I personally, guys, I think it's a clean-cut product. Not gonna play around. Here's your guys' next box. It is a good way to start, mate. All right. Then we got Aaron Rodgers, Mark Sanchez. Then you got a Jasper Collins 128 out of 199. And I like it. Look, I told you guys they're going to load this stuff up. Even though he's out for the first, I think for maybe 2 or 3 more weeks, he's still going to come back. This is Le'Veon Bell, 22 out of 100. Nice little Letterman auto. Going to P-Berg. That's Stevie F. Go on, get you. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. There you go, brother. D. Miller, going to those Jets. Yeah, look at, we got Mark's cards up in this joint. We got Stevie, AD. I'm telling you guys, hey, for a dual break, 6 hits and some low-numbered stuff, I'll take it. I only have 1 case of it, so might as well break it if you got it, right? Jeez. All right, John Stewart and Jake Locker will not have a job next year. And Jared Cook, 73 out of 99. And I like it, little vet auto. Ruben Crandell, 43 out of 999, going to the Giants. Scotty V. Here you go, bub. All right. And then an Ontario McCaleb. Did anybody get a chance to check out the Flickr photo stream? Anybody, any thoughts? Anybody get to check it out? AD, did you do that? Stevie, anybody? Bueller? Next, Matty Flynn. Good, JL Friends on it. Greg Jennings, you got, what's his name, the Beaver? No, I'm just playing. You got Tyron Methau. That's going to those Cardinals. And then, got a little sideways auto here. Prominence. You got Chris Thompson, 57, $9.99. Auto going to those Skins. Skins have more and more hits each product. That's OHM, man. There you go. 57, $9.99. Go ahead and get a picture of that there. I like it. And Jasper Collins. So, not a bad little first break. Come on. Let me go ahead and save this video.